Welcome to Black Man's Corner. I'm Joey. This video offering is a poem titled Black Men's Code. Ironically bred black men, descendants of warrior kings. Yet in this country we were taught that we could be bought and sold just like any old thing. Perhaps that is the reason our identity has taken forever to shape. For it was easy for a slave to dig his own grave when his sisters, daughters and wife were Master Charlie's to rape for life. Raven, pigmented princess, having overcome many things standing in our way, we will venture forward, onward and upward to get what is owed us one day. For time eventually heals all wounds, and by putting the past in perspective, we will proceed at all lengths to magnify our strength, with Black Lives Matter amongst our objectives. Better education, we also are seeking, with the knowledge that history is one of the keys, never forgetting who tried, succeeded, or died in the quest for our liberty, are thoughts that should make each one of us never relinquish the fight. For a cause that is left sitting is practically admitting we are quitting our endeavors to capture the light. So we must shine on, shaded sons of America, though many will use every ploy to continue to slap, malign, and rap even our elders with the title of boy. They attempt to close the job market on us, while our women they prefer to employ, using subtle execution in a plan of persecution that won't stop until our spirits destroyed. Cold-clad captains, we can justifiably scream we've been wronged, but we must accept our share of the blame. Many don't choose our women's hugs over alcohol and drugs and other women who afford us escape from our shame. We can no longer say that the system is the reason many of us turn to lives of crime. For we are puppets on strings if we are not responsible for things, and respect, when it must be earned, comes with time. Ebony men, where most would have broken, we often refuse to show evidence of bend. A part of the new breed, whom adhere to a new creed, we're preparing to reap dividends. For our priorities are fresh in our minds, exact, concise, and clear. Come hell or high water, our women and our daughters need not fear. The black men that they love will be near. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please like the video. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you'd like more offerings like this. It's always a pleasure to have you visit Black Man's Corner.